Welcome friends. So today we are going to solve a previous year question of Aieee 2002. But before start solving, I would like to request you, please give yourself a chance of solving that problem, then watch this solution. Because if you directly start watching the solution, that will decrease your problem solving ability. So let's start the solution. So here is the problem, minus pi to pi fx dx, where fx equal to 2x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos square x. So let us write down this problem. Let I equal to minus pi to pi 2x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Therefore, we will use distributive law. So minus pi to pi 2x dx by 1 plus cos square x plus minus pi to pi 2x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now let fx equal to 2x by 1 plus cos square x and gx equal to 2x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. But why we are considering like these functions, these two functions? Because here we are going to use the formula minus a to a fx dx equal to 2 into 0 to a fx dx when fx is an odd function, fx is an even function, and equal to 0 when fx is odd, when fx is even. So here we will check whether these fx and gx are odd or even. So next page, f of minus x equal to minus 2x by 1 plus cos minus x whole square, because here cos square x. So here we know that cos of minus x equal to cos x. So minus 2x eraser, equal to minus 2x by 1 plus cos square x equal to simply f of minus f of x. See here 2x by 1 plus cos square x. So f is an, here it is an odd function. Now we will check gx, g of minus x. G of minus x equal to what? 2 in 2x sin x. So 2 minus x sin of minus x by 1 plus cos square x. 1 plus cos square x. Because this denominator, we know that if we put cos of minus x, it will reduce cos x. So here 1 plus cos square x. So but we know that sin of minus x is minus sin x. So minus sin x, here minus x, so it becomes 2x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. So equal to gx. So here gx is an even function. So accordingly we will use this formula. So therefore I equal to previous page, minus pi to pi, here this is a odd function. So here equal to 0, 0 plus here minus a to a gx dx, 0 plus minus a to a, so here 2 into 0 to pi, 2 into 0 to pi, here 2 into 0 to pi, here 2 into 0 to a, gx dx. So gx means 2x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. 2x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Hope you have understood up to this point. So now I equal to, therefore I equal to 4 into 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. 1 plus cos square x dx. Now we know that here, therefore I equal to 4 into 0 to pi. Here we apply another formula, another property of definite integral. Guess what? 4 into 0 to pi, pi plus 0 minus x sine of pi minus x by 1 plus cos square pi minus x dx. So what is the formula here we have applied? Since we know a to b fx dx equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So that property we have used here. So here a equal to 0, b equal to pi. So a plus b minus x, pi plus 0 minus x. So here again we will use the distributive law, I equal to, but before using the distributive law, 4 into 0 to pi, pi minus x, sine of pi minus x means, sine of pi minus x means what? Sine of pi minus x. So if we consider this, all sine, tan, cos. So here 2 into 90 degree. So here sine x and here pi minus x. So second quadrant, so sine x. Again another term is here cos of pi minus x. Cos of pi minus x. Everything will be similar, cos x, but in that quadrant cos remains, takes the negative sign, but here cos square pi minus x, so it will become cos square x. So previous page, 4 into 0 to pi minus x, here sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. I think you have understood this step. Okay, so previous page. So now again we will use the distributive property. So here equal to, I equal to, therefore I equal to 4 into, okay, I will write it in a new page, undo. I equal to 4 into 0 to pi, pi into sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Next page. Therefore I equal to 4 into 0 to pi, 4 into 0 to pi, pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx minus 4 into 0 to pi minus 4 into 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. We just use the distributive law. So here what is the value of 4 into 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx? Here I equal to, clearly it has been seen that we have taken 4 into 0 to pi x sin x, 4 into 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x equal to I. So here therefore I equal to 4 into 0 to pi sin x dx by 1 plus cos square x minus, here see previous page, I equal to 4 into this, so here minus I. We just simply use name this as relation A, capital A. Next page. By relation capital A. Hope you have understood up to this. So if we take this I from this right hand side to left hand side, it becomes 2I. So therefore 2I equal to previous page 4 into 0 to pi, 4 into 0 to pi, previous page, pi sin x dx, pi sin x dx by 1 plus cos square x. Now here we are going to use the substitution method. What we are going to substitute here? Just guess. Yes, put cos x equal to t. So here minus sin x dx equal to dt, but it is definite integral, right? So we have to change the limits. So here x, and we are changing to t. So value of x is lower limit 0, upper limit pi. So when x equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. When x equal to pi, so cos pi is minus 1. So here therefore 2I equal to 4 into lower limit 1 minus 1. So pi sin x dx equal to minus dt by 1 plus cos square x means t square. So here we can write 4 into minus 1 to 1 pi dt by 1 plus t square, because we know that since another property of definite integral a to b fx dx equal to, we can write b to a fx dx. Is it okay? No. Here one negative sign must be put. Okay. So now here 4 into minus 1 to 1 pi dt by 1 plus t square. Here we are going to use another formula. So therefore 2i I think, yes, 2i equal to previous page 4 into 4 pi, okay, 4 pi minus 1 to 1 dt, by 1 plus t square equal to, therefore 2i equal to 4 pi, here tan inverse t minus 1 to 1, since the formula we have used here, dx by x square plus s square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a unto 1 by a integration dx 1 by x square plus square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This formula we have used here. So therefore 2i equal to 4 pi. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse minus 1 equal to, therefore 2i equal to 4 pi. Tan inverse 1 means pi by 4 minus tan inverse minus 1, so minus pi by 4. So implies, next page or here, therefore 2i equal to 4 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So here 2 into pi by 4. Take green. Okay. So now 4 cancel out. So here 2i equal to 2 pi square. 2i equal to 2 pi square. Yes. So next page. Therefore 2i equal to 2 pi square. Therefore I equal to pi square. So we have evaluated the value of the required integral. Let us check the options given below in the question. So here it is the option B, that is pi square. So we have reached to the end of this beautiful problem. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If so, please do subscribe this channel and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.